did this get up here? Look at this. Big operation, you can't tell what it was. Oh, there you go. Can't see anything. Holy crap, that's a hell of a climb. Near the top of the mountain. And oh, hell yeah, is that what I think it is? Holy crap. It's an ore car. Whoa, those are so rare. Holy cow. Wow. I surely am in the middle of nowhere. Because these things are always gone to museums and people's yards. Holy cow. Unbelievable. I don't even know if there was a mine up here. Wow, oh. This old road. Let's keep going. Where we are. There's something right here. It's curious. Rails. There's got to be something here somewhere. Nothing visible. We are on top of the mountain. Let's go this way. Oh, look at that. More rail. In the trees. And that's a road grade. Okay. Holy crap. I don't know where this goes. Oh. That's gotta be a good sign, huh? Pointing the way to heaven. That way. Okay, let's go. Experiencing dizzy spells. I'm not gonna make it up there. I had to come back with Scott. All kinds of stuff on this trail. An old stove. Wow. Tumbled down that hill. What the heck? Wow. The old days. Stuff was very artistic. Top. Pretty cool. Kinds of stuff on this trail. Alright. Let's keep going. Heading down. Pretty cool. There's that minecart again. You guys, it is so rare to find a minecart in the wild. That made the whole hike worth it. It really did. It's in pretty good shape, except missing the wheels. And that stove. It's pretty cool. All kinds of stuff. And that boiler. That hit and miss motor. Must have been for sure a trolley system. Oh, and there was an ore bucket too. Really overgrown. You know, this used to be a road. Long time ago. Overgrown a little bit. There's that boiler. Should have been a compressor. It looks like a boiler because of the pipe right there. There's the feet. So it's been turned upside down. Probably sat right here. Why you would need a boiler, you need a compressor, but not a boiler. I don't know. These look like axles of some kind. Monster of the past. Nature's taking over. Taking it back. It's quite an operation at one time. I do believe. What? I didn't see that. Oh my heck. Oh. Baby fawn. It's pretty fresh. Couple of days. Been gutted. Legs are still there. And all this. There's the equipment right there. That means there's predators around here. Let's go look at that equipment. Huh. Lots of flies. screener. That's a belt pulley. Bigger than axle of some kind. That's a heck of a piece of equipment up here. Let's see this. It says Buffalo Forged Company, Buffalo, New York. Boy, howdy. We are a long way from New York. Pretty cool. You never know what you're going to run into. Industry was everywhere. Mother Nature's taking it back. What does that one say? Sardner Gov Company, Quincy, Illinois. Quincy, Illinois, attached to something from New York. Probably a valve, maybe. That's a valve body. I'm just guessing. That there was a pulley for a belt system. That there was a tumbler screener. That's another pulley. You don't see the motor anywhere. I was up there slowly getting buried in the hillside. Too bad about that little baby fawn. Well, that's too bad. They're fresh. Oh well. It's Mother Nature. Alright, we're going down. You know, and I doing some hiking up this canyon here. I wasn't even gonna film. And I see this, you guys see this? Right here. Stumble upon this old road grade. Thought I'd give it a follow and saw all that equipment. Pretty cool. Let me tell us the road grade, can you? Right there. But headed down. Didn't quite make it to the top. Overgrown a little bit. So there's the road right here. That's the road going up there for future reference for myself. Can't even tell it's there. The main road. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Interesting. Right here, remnants of miner shack. Not much left of it now. Toppled over. It used to be right here. See the roof, metal roof. This place seriously hidden away. Okay, just for fun, check that out. CS 1983. 40 years ago. 41 years ago. Yeah. Thought that was kind of fun to show you. Anyway. Okay. We'll play a game. The person who finds the oldest graffiti wins. There's one, Mel Ed, 2001. Nope, not old enough. There's RGBC, 1983, BMT. 83. 83's got it. And this little area here, this was miner shack or shop or something. It's completely demolished now. Here, not much left of it though. Well, let's see. 420 BC 2012. Nope, not a winner. Keep looking. Okay, let's see. Let's see. 1972. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. The oldest one, 1972. 2010 and 2012. Nope. Failure. Wow. You ever get the feeling that you're being watched? Phantom footsteps.